Hey everybody, Eve here. Today I'm having another special video, which is sort of an announcement because it has to do with dealing with a particular problem that everyone that lives tiny has to deal with, and that's doing your laundry. I don't know about the rest of you, but in order for me to do my laundry, I have to drive 5 miles into town. To most people, what's 10 miles? Well, 10 miles is money for me, and it's also wasted time. It's a big problem. I would say that's one of my biggest challenges since going tiny is keeping my laundry up and key announcement. This is what I'm all excited about. I've been doing a lot of research over, I would say, the past year, looking at what kind of options is out there for people like me who want to do their laundry, and you live in a tiny space and you don't have room for a traditional or standard size washer and dryer. I don't even have room, let's face it, I don't even have room for another bucket in this place. So nothing that I've looked at is an option other than going to a laundromat, which I'm not trying to sound like a snob. I just don't like doing laundry out. I want to be able to do laundry either in my space or, as you can see, it's a gorgeous, beautiful day in Ohio. Step outside and, do the laundry out there. So the problem is again, I've looked at all of the nomads and RVers and van lifers options for doing laundry, and it always comes back to this little washer dryer combo that looks like it was made for Barbie by Disneyland, and I know they're not going to last, and they do just such tiny loads. I mean, come on, it would take you forever to do your laundry, and they usually say if you can do jeans, which most of them don't emphasize or don't stipulate that you can, it's like you gotta do. I wear jeans now. Most of my jeans are jeggings. I don't know if you can see them or not, but most of my jeans are jeggings, so they're light jeans, but I do have heavy jeans. I want to be able to use some sort of portable, compact, lightweight, preferably not too mechanical, at least not so mechanical that it breaks down or it's, falls apart on me. And then again, like I said, if they're too mechanical, who's going to maintenance it? Who's going to replace the parts? Who's going to be the servicing? I don't want to mess with all that. I want something simple yet doable. And so bottom line is, I don't know what this unit is going to be like, but I did find something by watching YouTube. I was watching, these gadgets, the best inventions in gadgets for tiny spaces and living tiny. And I started watching it and I was like, what? And when I saw that, gotta have it, gotta share it. So even though I haven't got it yet, I've ordered it. And as soon as I get it, I am going to give you guys a complete review and tell you my honest opinion, because they're not sending it to me for free. They're not sponsoring me. No. This is a totally 100% unbiased demo review of a product that I have yet to try. And I don't want to spoil everything for you because I want to get the product and actually demonstrate it in real time for all of you. So this is the product I have finally decided out of you can see my beauty ring light reflection in my Kindle Fire display there. But that is it. So if you want to go and kind of look at it and take a sneak peek before I actually do the review, go to Lavario, and that's spelled Lavario washer.com, and check it out, because there is a video here. Let's see if we can get it going. Come on, I'll just go ahead and play it. We're crazy. We do these things. Oh, it's a Kindle Fire, so let's see.
This is Lavario.
Oh, they call it
the best
Lavario.
portable clothes washer in the world. ultralight and non-electric, but washes your clothes just...
I have bad Wi-Fi reception, guys. I'm sorry. Okay. Enough. I called it Lavario washer. Right there it shows you I don't pay very close attention sometimes. It's lavariowasher.com. Excuse me. Okay? I'm human. I make mistakes. It is what it is, right? So, anyway, lavariowasher.com. As soon as I get it, should be sometime later this week, maybe early next week. Doesn't matter. As soon as I get it, I'm going to do a demonstration and give you a full review and tell you what I think of it. And yeah, I'm excited. I don't get excited very often because, to be honest with you, there's a lot of things I need done or I'm looking forward to put in my tiny space and they just don't work. Just don't work. Or they're too expensive and, well, you know the whole spiel. So anyway, while you're here, please thumbs up, comment on, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And while you're subscribing to my YouTube channel, be sure to ring that bell for future video uploads. And until next time, may Christ bless each and every one of you most abundantly. And yeah, can't wait to get my Lavario washer. Stay tuned.